Morning all, welcome to our first full day in CORON. We have booked ourselves a private tour. We're just waiting to be picked up now. We're on this busy little street. Should be a good day on the boat. This is our ride this morning to our boat. Oh my god, little tricycle. So something very surreal. For the first time ever on a tour, we had to go pick our own food and what they're going to barbecue us today in the local market, which is just incredible actually. It kind of adds to the experience. I think we're imminently about to get on our boat.
There's our boatman. Oh, now he's got to try and get on the boat. Let's hope he don't fall. Christ, we've got to record this. Oh, he did it very well, better than me. Here he is, the big fella.
This place is carnage. Our private tour has got off to a very interesting start. We're getting a bit frustrated. We even think we're getting scammed. We weren't. No thank you. We're a little bit nervous, but apparently there's been a regulation change here in CORON that if you book a private tour, they have to go get stamps by all the authorities to say that you have permission to go out. So here in CORON you're only allowed to do guided tours. Private tours are allowed, but they have to go get official stamps, otherwise you're not allowed in the areas and you'll get arrested. So actually I think it's a really good thing. It's just slightly frustrating because we didn't really know what was going on for about 45 minutes. We've arrived at Kayangan Lake. He's told us not to bother with a snorkel as you can't see anything in the water. So we'll go check it out now. Book a private tour, they said, to avoid the crowds, they said. That's the queue for a selfie point. Oh my god. So we've got a private tour to avoid the crowds, but there's a big old crowd here. Ignoring that though, it is a tourist hotspot. I'm not going to complain, but wow, look at this lake. This lake is absolutely beautiful. Finally got the lake to myself. It's not the easiest to swim, but we'll be honest, it feels like it's pulling you down, but it's absolutely beautiful. I was just speaking to someone, apparently about an hour ago, it was absolutely rammed here. There was hundreds of people. Now there's probably about 40 people here, but it's a lot quieter than it was. So just swam in this lake. It's actually not as busy as I thought it was. When we was walking up and down the steps, it was absolutely rammed. I hated every second of it. And now we're here, it is absolutely beautiful. The lake is so nice to swim in. You're not allowed to swim without a life jacket. You can kind of see why. I didn't float particularly well. Normally I float absolutely fine, but it's absolutely beautiful. The colour of the water is insane. I don't know, it's like a blue mixed with the colours of the trees, really. Just absolutely amazing. There's loads of little fish swimming around our feet. So we've just spent about 25-ish minutes here at the lake. There's only 2 of the lakes I'm told you're allowed to swim in. The rest of them, even the locals, are not allowed to swim in. We're just going to head back up all these steps now, jump on the boat, and we haven't got a particular order, so everything's a bit of a surprise to us, which I kind of like. So check out what's next. So another issue, we get back to our boat and the big noise we heard earlier, which I didn't explain about because I didn't think it was an issue, just sort of shut down the engine. Their engine's gone pop. So we are currently transferring to a new boat and hopefully the day continues. Telling us what happened to the other boat, problems. So it's not exactly been paradise experience, but the new guys are making the most of it. They're doing really well. Can't complain too much. We are still in the Philippines. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a weekend before Christmas. Can't ask for too much more. This place is absolutely stunning. Joe is taking us towards a big boat on a kayak. So we've just gone under the tunnel. We are in Secret Lagoon. I wouldn't say it was too secret. There's a few people here. This place is beautiful. I wouldn't say it was a secret, but you can see why it gets its name. I have to say, Secret Lagoon is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. I get why it's called secret. You kind of have to go under a bit of water or over some steps that have been created in a rock formation, but it is absolutely beautiful here. Just insanely gorgeous.
Whoa. I think, oh, we're heading into a rock.
So the guys on the boat are cooking us our lunch at the moment. They're going to take us to the next stop where we're going to enjoy it. We've just been into the Secret Lagoon, which I really hope you enjoyed. The drone shots looked absolutely amazing. I forgot to put my sunglasses on the drone, whoopsie, but I will do on the next one. Actually, it's turning into a pretty epic day. CORON is absolutely stunning. I'm not sure where the next one is. We've purposely kind of not done that so we can kind of show you when we get there. So we've been to the lake, we've done Secret Lagoon. Secret Lagoon was really good. We also got there at a good time and it was quite quiet. We've arrived at the Coral Garden. The boys are going to serve us our food first and then we're going to go do some snorkeling. We're pretty hungry. We've not eaten since about 7:30 this morning. And we, as I said earlier, we had to go to the market and pick our own food. So we got a couple of chicken legs, about 10 prawns and some rice with garlic and herbs and some onions as well. Should be pretty good. I can smell it barbecuing now. It smells delicious. Lunch was beautiful. It's now lunch over. It's now snorkeling time. Switch over to the GoPro. Just enjoyed Reef Gardens. Joe's got herself a beer now, just to kind of wash that salt water taste away. We're now heading to Skelton Wreck. I know we wasn't supposed to know, but they just told us we're going there. This is the bit I'm probably been most looking forward to all day. The only issue is I don't have any flippers. So diving down deep is really difficult, as I found out at Reef Gardens. Just quickly on Reef Gardens, they're beautiful, lots of fish, saw some clownfish. Absolutely stunning, loved it. Really looking forward to this wreck. So shipwreck done. I was expecting to almost see a full ship and kind of see what its battle stations kind of look like, but of course you forget it's been in the ocean now about 70 years, maybe 75 years. So it's kind of more, it's called Skeleton Reef, and I suppose there's not much more there than the skeleton. You can only see the front of it. Is that the bow or the, I forget, but you can see the front of the ship's stern. I don't know, you can see the front of the ship really well. I managed to dive down and get right up close to it. I hope you enjoy the footage of that. We now come to this little island in the background. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to chill here for, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour and lay on the beach before we probably end up sailing back. It's been actually a really good day. The private tour has been really good. I am keen to hear what you think if you've been on a group tour and a private tour. Please comment below, let me know your thoughts if you've done it here in CORON. We've been actually quite surprised. It's not been the smoothest, but it has gone really well. So absolutely stunning place. This place is amazing. Insane. This was the last stop on our tour today. It's been absolutely beautiful. I must admit, I was really concerned at one point this morning about our private tour, as nothing seemed to go right, but the day's been awesome. I must admit, it has been absolutely spectacular. Please comment below, let me know your thoughts. I'm really keen to see that. We're going to set sail back to the main CORON town, or CORON town proper as it's called, and we'll catch up back there. We've got to go boat to boat to boat. I have to say, our crew were absolutely awesome today. Considering they were the standing crew. Nimro, thank you for today. It was absolutely brilliant. You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Thank you very much.